Hey everyone, I'm Leslie. Welcome to my channel. I thrifted this $25 table with the wheels on the bottom. It's vintage in perfect shape. I want to give it a makeover. This is for my front porch. I've got two different molds by Redesign. I'll be using that drop, and then I'll be using this Redesign mold, and both of these I poured in resin because this is going to be on my porch and it will be somewhat exposed to the weather, and I wanted it to be sturdy. I'll be using Little Black Dress, and that's by DIY, and I'll also be using Sweet Pickins in the color Flour Sack. And I'm going to give everything a good seal with my Minwax polyacrylic. So basically in this video, I'm just going to be showing the highlights of the process in redoing this table. My resin castings, I used Tight Bond Quick and Thick, glued everything down, taped it, and gave it a few hours to dry. On this little casting, I had to cut the peak at the very top. I had to give it a trim to make it fit. If it's dry to the point of being hard, you can heat it up with a heat gun and it makes it easier to trim. The little drop pieces on the end, the bottom wreath part, I had to cut that off to make those fit. The first thing I'm going to do is give the table a coat of DIY clay-based paint in Little Black Dress. This little brush I'm using has a point on it, and I'm dabbing and stippling into the resin casting that helps get the paint all down inside. You can also mist it with a little bit of water, and that will also help the paint move. Once the table was completely dry, I'm going to take my Minwax polyacrylic water-based sealer and I'm going to give the whole table 2 good coats. I'm going to be painting with Sweet Pickins milk paint in the color Flour Sack, and when it crackles, I want the black to show underneath. Once I got my 2 coats on all the table, I let that dry a few hours. It really doesn't take long for that to dry, but I gave it a couple of hours before moving on with the milk paint. Next, I mixed up my milk paint with equal amounts of water, and I let it sit for 10 minutes to kind of thicken up. Next, I'm going to give the table a couple of coats of the milk paint. The first coat usually goes on a little bit thinner, as you'll be able to see, but the second coat gets much better coverage. I let it dry completely between each coat of paint. You can also use your heat gun to dry it, and that helps promote the crackle. Once it was completely dry, I decided I wanted to use Annie Sloan chalk paint in the color On Floor, and I gave just the top shelf a couple of coats of that. Also on the bottom in the castings, I used my Waverly antiquing wax that I mixed with water and antiqued the bottom part. I love the way it turned out. What do you think? Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about this little table. Thank you so much for being here and for watching.